Alright, this is a recording that shows you the next step of the analysis process. So I'm going to select the Korean Research Group again from Qual Query. Okay, refresh, update my dashboard. You also notice that I have gone through now and I have analyzed the one transcript that wasn't done before. You all are going to be assigned a transcript, and it won't be necessarily the same transcript that you did in the past, so that you get a chance to view and understand another point of view, another different transcript. So last time we met, we developed some project codes. These are the codes right here that I came up with off of what we wrote down on the board. Now these are flexible and malleable. We don't want to change them too much at this point in time. But if you really start running into problems with coding, there's something that's just not caught through the codes. As a group, if you guys decide that, hey, we need to add another project code, you can click Insert here, and you can insert another project code. Just remember that we don't want to be adding too many project codes because it defeats the purpose of trying to bring data into some major themes. As we get ready to write the paper, I anticipate that each one of these major themes will be a section in the paper, and each one of you will be assigned a different one of these to write about. You'll notice there's one new coding here. It's called Good Quote. I use this to identify any statement that I think is a really powerful quote that might be really useful in the paper just as a quote, so that I can kind of pull back to that. Alright, so let's see how this works. I'm going to analyze. You see, I've written a summary for this, but not a big deal. Let's go to project search. Okay, this first box here is a big, huge search box. It looks kind of a little cumbersome because of the size of the window right now. And what you'll want to do, we don't want to worry about type. We want to worry about transcripts. That's the most important one. Say that I'm assigned to P2, P3. I'm going to check this box. And this is really a sophisticated search engine. I could search for all the places that, let's see, Jason didn't have codes. Let's see here. I could search for all the places that Caitlin identified as Korean culture or Korean life in Burma, and I could come up with a list of all that. But I'm not really going to worry about that. I just want to search for everything within this label. And I say, click here to search for items, and right now it's searching. This is a sophisticated query string that it uses to go through the database. And now you'll see these are each person's codes, and of course this is somebody else's because it's a different color, and we have some grays and such. Your next job is to take these project level codes, which are listed right here, and identify them. So let's see here, this one says musician and wife, music and church are highly connected. This is where I need to figure out which one of these things, just for the time being, I'm just going to say determination, even though it doesn't fit. And I hit the plus button, and it adds a project code. Now the powerful thing here is that I can add more than one project quote. Let's say I also think it's a good quote. I can add good quote as well. Let's say that it also relates to refugee life. I can hit refugee life. And so I kind of define these project codes as I go. You can delete these by hitting the X, and they should go away. Of course, it's not working right now in the context of a video like it normally does. Okay, so you'll be going through as a group and kind of figuring out things, figuring out how to divvy up some of these codes across transcripts, and understanding to a deeper level. And your organization of these project codes will be what somebody else uses to construct the writing narrative on that particular project code. Good luck.